You service your own motorcycle, but then your service light stays on your dashboard, and your only option might be a trip to the dealer just to reset a service reminder. That's the problem that this Healtech Maintenance Mate was built to solve. A lot of newer bikes require special tools to clear the service light after maintenance, but what I really like about the Healtech Maintenance Mate is that this is a standalone service light reset tool. It's designed for dozens of different motorcycles. You plug it into the factory diagnostic connector, and you can set your next service interval with the touch controls that are built directly into the Maintenance Mate. Reset the service light, there's no laptop needed, there's no software, there's no dealer visit, and that's what makes this useful. It's small, it's simple, and instead of having the bike tell you when your service is overdue, you can set the next service interval directly on the screen. You can put something like service in 6,000 miles, and then that's going to upload it electronically to your motorcycle. So for people who like working on their own bikes, handling their own service themselves, this solves one of the most annoying parts about it. You do the maintenance yourself, and now you can reset the service light yourself too. My name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. If you have any questions for us, you can give us a call at 786-242-5400. And if you're interested in this Maintenance Mate, you can find this at accessoryinternational.com.